Congratulations on your new solid surface countertops! Let's go over some quick tips to keep them looking like new. For everyday cleaning, simply use warm soapy water or a cleaner like Windex or Thieves. Rinse the surface thoroughly, then wipe it dry to prevent water spots. To avoid hard watermarks, always wipe surfaces dry after spills or cleaning. If you do see water spots, a mixture of water and regular vinegar will take care of them. For tougher stains, use a diluted mix of water and bleach or denatured alcohol on a cotton cloth. Do not use strong acids like nail polish remover or abrasive cleaners. Rinse with water and wipe dry afterward. To disinfect, wipe surfaces with a mixture of 1 part water and 1 part household bleach. Rinse well with clear water and wipe dry for a spotless finish. Integrated sinks are cleaned just like countertops. For deeper cleaning, use soft scrub with a green or gray Scotch-Brite pad. Just for sinks though. Avoid abrasive cleaners on your countertop. Always use trivets or hot pads under hot items. Prolonged heat can cause discoloration. Keep strong chemicals like acids, paint removers, and oven cleaners away. If contact happens, rinse immediately with water. To avoid scratches, use a cutting board rather than cutting directly on the countertop. Always run cool water when pouring boiling water into a solid surface sink. Minor scratches can be buffed out with Scotch-Brite pads, starting with green and moving to finer pads like blue and white. Rub in small circles and rinse with water. For deeper cuts, contact us for professional repair. With these simple steps, your solid surface countertops will stay beautiful and functional for years. If you have questions, Countertops 101 is always here to help.